Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. A person who wants to buy Opel Zafira 1600 CDT, and asks what problems do these engines usually cause. The 1600 CDT engines have been very problematic, since the famous failure with the distribution chain tensioner, which on many occasions ended up breaking engines. We have had engines with breakdowns, which cost more repair than buying new engines, and on occasions we have had to buy new engines, and we are talking about thousands of euros. Also problems with the AdBlue system, especially in the Zafiras, having to change pumps, tanks and sensors. In addition, in this engine that you see here, this photo that I took of one that we had last month with 95,000 kilometers, since the diesel particulate filter, DPF, had to be changed, we took it to a company to see if they would put it in clean. But it was so clogged that they told us that nothing could be done, that it had to be changed. This fault is also expensive, when the engine runs with the diesel particulate filter clogged, DPF. It has also damaged the turbo. It was leaking the soot from the variable geometry. From the area of the turbo actuator rod, the soot was coming out there. Although the owner did not want to change it, we have already told him that it is damaged and to keep an eye on it. If he hears noises or excessive soot comes out, so bring it, because that turbo can break at any moment, and if it breaks, the engine can go into self-combustion. This engine, as I say, with just over 95,000 kilometers, has approximately 20,000 kilometers. We had to clean the entire EGR system. It was completely clogged. As I say, these are engines that have caused a lot of problems, and the truth is that Opel has had much better engines than this one. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.